Look what happens when they can't, when it gets too obvious with the sirens. Immediately they bring this beeping device back. Look. So someone just comes, switches it on the tracks, it echoes around the whole area, and that's it. We have to listen to this now. Look, that's 6 days it's been going on. Let me show you how loud it is. Listen to how loud this is. I've called the council and everything. Look. I don't think that's an alarm. People's windows are open, so it has to be some device that they've just put on the tracks. Right? You've got a beeping noise, and as a replacement for when the sirens aren't going off. You see, notice how quiet it is. So they bring in this other noise. The whole area's been compromised. There's absolutely no doubt. They've taken a peaceful area and absolutely destroyed it with all these noises. And this is the new tactic.